वेलकम टू द मनी टॉक्स, क्योंकि पैसा बोलता है।
Hello friends, hope you are doing well. In this video I will show you how to download FILMORA 9 for free on MacBook Pro. So let's start. Type filmora.wondershare.com in Chrome browser, click try it free and your downloading starts. Open your downloads, open installer, install and close. Close the window. Select project aspect ratio, new project, import your files, and drag it to the editing track. Choose the settings. Now don't forget to turn off your Wi-Fi. Now export. Cross the page. Go to help and activate FILMORA 9. Enter email and password, and I have given the email and password in the description below. After entering the email and password, you have to select from the shown option below with arrow mark. Email, password and activate FILMORA 9 now. Here you have to enter the given email, password, and now press FILMORA 9 now. Ignore this page and cross this page as well. Now we will export. Name of your choice. Save location, resolution, and export. Export begins. And your export successfully done. Now we will check the export files. Here you can see there is no watermark and you got FILMORA 9 free on your Mac. So friends, if you like my video and still like to watch my another videos, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.